You searched how to buy shares of Itau Unibanco Holding ADR. This quick guide shows the practical steps. Itau Unibanco is a large Brazilian bank listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ITUB, and this video is educational, not financial advice. To buy ITUB, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as a neutral example to illustrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing trades. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ITUB to locate the ADR. Select the result that clearly states Itau Unibanco Holding ADR to ensure you have the correct asset. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name and NASDAQ ticker to make sure it's the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to purchase. Then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order will be queued or executed when trading resumes. If you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the trade. After the order is executed or queued, your position will appear in your portfolio. For the exact steps shown in this video, use the link in the description.